So, I've been a vegetarian my entire life, and for the longest time, hitting my protein goals was something I struggled with. And look, I love tofu and I cook a lot of tofu on my channel. You can check out all the videos I have, but I can't make my cultural dishes all the time using tofu. So that's when I found the power of unflavored protein powder. And honestly, I can't go back anymore. So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into why I like unflavored protein powder so much. So, what exactly is unflavored protein powder? As the name suggests, it doesn't have any flavoring in it, but it also doesn't have any sweetener in it. It is just plain, simple ingredients like a blend of pea or rice protein or just plain whey protein, which is not flavored in any way. I personally have been using Form Nutrition's Pure Blend Protein, and it's got 32 grams per 40 grams, and it's incredibly high in quality. So, I have been using that, but you can use whatever brand you like. Just make sure to check the label for just clean, simple ingredients. And here's the honest truth. Some of our favorite meals that we enjoy on a daily basis, at least as vegetarians, I feel are not very high in protein. I would eat dal, rice, roti, beans, legumes, and all that stuff. None of them are really naturally high in protein. But the solution is not to stop eating them. We can still enjoy all the dishes we love, but we can just quietly upgrade them without changing the taste or the dish in general. You can just add some unflavored protein powder and still enjoy all your favorite meals. So for me, I would like to share some examples of what I have done to up my protein intake. This way, it's just my journey and I have just started doing this. So it's all new to me, but I want to explore even more. So the other day I got some dosa batter and I made uttapam with it, but I added a tablespoon or two of the unflavored protein powder just to try, and it did not change the taste at all. And without even realizing, I was getting 8 grams of protein per uttapam. So the taste, the texture was completely normal. And my other favorite thing that I have done is up my protein in my already protein rich oats in the morning. So as you can see, I add my oats, milk of choice, chia seeds, just heat them in the microwave for a minute. Then I go in with my PB Fit peanut powder, which already is really good in protein. But then I also add a tablespoon of my unflavored protein powder and then some cottage cheese and banana. So my oats are already helping me front load my protein right in the morning. And another thing that I want to try, which I was so excited about when I saw it, are these high protein rotis. And I saw this video by a creator whose video I'll link below. But essentially, she adds tofu, unflavored protein powder, Greek yogurt, and she makes theplas or parathas out of it. And they are amazing. I think that's genius because not only would you not compromise on the taste, but also hit your protein goals this way. So, a few things to remember when you're starting out is start out with a little amount, because if you just add too much, you might notice a huge difference and you might not continue it at all. Just start with a tablespoon of the protein powder, because if you add too much, then you might find a huge difference in the texture right away and you might not continue it. But for me, I personally want to increase it from 1 tablespoon to 2 or 3 tablespoons, and I'll adjust it according to any recipe or dish I create. The second thing is make sure to check the labels to say that it's unflavored, unsweetened only, because you do not want to ruin your favorite dish. And lastly, this is not about replacing your whole foods at all. You should still keep eating all the whole foods in your daily diet. And honestly, this is just about filling in the gaps. For me, I think this is really beneficial, and that's why I'm doing it. And that's why I want to share this with you guys. But that does not mean you replace everything with protein powder just for the sake of it. Just try to see how much you're lacking and you can fill the gaps accordingly. So it's such a simple thing, but it genuinely changed my way of thinking as a vegetarian, and I truly am just figuring it out too. But if you have any tips or if you tried this out, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.